All right, everyone, pull on your boots and get your appetite ready. We're heading off campus to the historic Stockyards with Ryan. He's a junior majoring in sports broadcasting and minoring in business, and he's gonna tell us about Fort Worth culture, food, and opportunities for students. Take it away, Ryan.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, y'all, and welcome to TCU in Fort Worth, Texas. TCU is a beautiful campus with so many opportunities for its students. I'm from California, so one of the biggest things that drew me to TCU was its location. When I first visited, I felt surrounded by Southern hospitality, which is a very real thing. People on campus and in Fort Worth are so genuine and kind, and they make TCU students feel like we're at home. Fort Worth, Dallas, and the surrounding cities make up one of the largest metropolitan areas in the nation, which is one of the reasons why so many undergrads hold internships while they're here. Most majors recommend or require an internship, and Fort Worth is an ideal location with an abundance of opportunities. Local companies love to support TCU with student internships. Now, Fort Worth is constantly modernizing and growing, so there's something new and exciting for everyone to experience. When my parents come visit me, I'm pretty sure they're really here to try the food. Texas is known for their food, and TCU allows students to use money from their meal plan off campus. Fort Worth is home to the famous Stockyards. If you want to experience Texan culture and history, this National Historic District is what you're looking for. Here, you can try barbecue and Tex-Mex, watch one of the twice daily cattle drives, and even buy a pair of stylish cowboy boots. The Stockyards is also home to the iconic Billy Bob's. Sundance Square is another perfect spot right in the heart of downtown Fort Worth. With endless food and entertainment options, you cannot go wrong. If you come to Fort Worth, you have to visit the Fort Worth Zoo. Because it's located right down the road from campus, it is a super convenient place for student internships and a fun day with your friends. The zoo just opened a new Elephant Springs, which is a joy to see. They're also successfully breeding the endangered Texas horned lizard, which happens to be our mascot. Now, how cool is that? In all, Fort Worth is such an amazing place. I hope you come visit and stay a while. Thanks for letting me share. Now back to you, Alex.
Ryan, thank you for giving us a tour around Fort Worth. I can't wait to try some barbecue and Tex-Mex and visit some of the amazing places you just took us to. Thank you for sharing your story with all of us. We appreciate it. Take care, Ryan.